Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you this smoked out eye makeup look where I will focus with the smokiness mainly at the outer part, which is also really nice for people that have hooded eyes, that love like some darkness at the outer portion of the eyelid but don't really like wearing eyeliner. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. So I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid, and this will remove the redness and it will just leave like a nice clean base for all the eyeshadows that we're gonna use. And it will also make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay in place all day. Now I'm gonna play with this new palette, which is by Kylie Cosmetics. I haven't used it before, but I received it in the mail that week, so I wanted to use it for today's video. And I'm gonna start with this color right here and start blending this in my outer V. So in this area where I'm blending the eyeshadow right now is where I'm gonna apply like all the eyeshadow. I want like the inner part of the eyelid to be like completely blank, not use any product at all. So with the eyeshadows, I'm just gonna focus in this area, which is gonna leave a super cool like smoky effect, which will give the appearance like you have like kind of like a smoky winged liner, but just by making only like circular motions with your brush. So this is gonna be the first color, and then later on in this video I'm gonna go in with darker and darker shades to really make it as smoky as possible. So I'm just making circular motions with my brush and softly blending it kind of like towards the tail of my brow. But when I go a bit more upwards towards the tail of my brow, I use a really light hand. Then now to darken it up, I'm going to go in with this color, which is a little bit darker than the previous color. So taking a tiny blending brush and first kind of blending along the lash line. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna blend it up a little bit higher. So I'm just going to repeat that, and then I went in with the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to use a Sigma E75 brush and apply the gel eyeliner right above my lash line. So I'm just creating a simple line, and then towards the end of the lash line, I'm going to go up a little bit higher and then blend it out using this eyeshadow. So I just wanted like to blend the eyeshadow into something like smoky in this area right here. So the best thing to do is apply the eyeshadow right after applying the gel eyeliner, so your eyeshadow is not, so your eyeliner, that's what I wanted to say, so your eyeliner is still a little bit like creamy, not dried yet, so when you blend it out you can still move and smudge it out a little bit. So when you apply your eyeliner, just do it like directly after applying it. And you can also apply a little bit of black eyeshadow to make it even more smoky. And I would really suggest to use matte shades only, because using shimmery shades, sometimes it can make it look a little bit weird, like it will show up more like wrinkles on your eyelid. For this, I prefer to use like a matte shade. Or you can do like a shimmery shade, but make sure that it doesn't have like a lot of sparkles or shimmers in it. That's what I would advise you guys to do. So after that, I went in with a little bit of concealer and blended that right underneath the eyeshadow just to clean it up a little bit. It was already looking quite good, so I didn't have to use a lot of concealer. Then I went in with the Makeup by Mario soft brown pencil and used it in my waterline. This color looks really similar to the brown colors I used in my outer V, so it really matches. Then I'm gonna go back in with this color using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush and use this brush and just kind of like blending my brush back and forth and apply the shade all over underneath the lower lash line. And then once I have like applied that color, I'm also gonna blend it out to make it look more softer. But I'm really liking how it looks so far. It really gives you kind of like that cat eye shaped effect. And yeah, I would really like to know if you have hooded eyes and you try this, if you like it, let me know. And if you do recreate this makeup look, I would love to see it. So don't forget to tag me on social media. I would love to see your recreations. I always love when people tag me. So now I'm going to go in with my lash curler. The one that I use is by MAC Cosmetics. I actually really like this one. And then I went in with the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite mascaras. And I'm just going to apply a lot of mascara. And then here you go. This is the final result. You can go in with some false lashes if you like, but I just wanted to keep it like this. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you try, you wouldn't